What's up YouTube, it's Danny, and this is a quick unboxing, so let's just get into it. I've been waiting since Black Friday for this. I guess they ran out on Amazon, but they probably got more in. This is the Ring Video Doorbell. Yes, I've been talking about it forever, and I finally have one. So let's open it up, shall we? Okay, so in the box you get the ring, obviously, a little tool, it looks like a little screwdriver, and a level. So to get in the actual box, I guess, do I just pull out? That's what she said. There's a little sticker. And then, I believe this comes off. Okay, and these are anchors and mounting screws. And then here's the actual doorbell itself. Very nice, very, very nice indeed. Diode. Probably won't even need that. Then you got drill bit, drill, another drill bit, screwdriver, and the level. Make sure that it is indeed level. So very nice. So I'll go ahead and do a jump cut, and you will see it all hooked up, and I'll show you what it looks like on the phone as well. All right, guys, take a little bit of muscle, but it's on. It is not going anywhere. It is solid. And there it is. Very cool. So I will link the Ring Video Doorbell right below. They just got some more in stock on Amazon, and there's up to 4 different colors. I like silver, but they have bronze and other ones. So check it out, the link below, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Your continued support does matter, and it does allow me to continue to make these videos. And as you know, I am a Amazon Prime enthusiast and supporter, and Amazon was nice enough to hook me up with a free trial link for you guys, which is right here, and also it's in the video description if you want to click it. So if you click it, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Link is right here, as well as the video description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.